So this is homemade mushroom soup, keto friendly, and will serve 4 people. So we're going to be making mushroom soup. For this we've got 400 grams of chestnut mushrooms, some chicken stock, some butter, an onion, some double cream and 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, so we've melted 50 grams of butter in the pan. I'm just going to add the chopped onions. These have been browning off for about 7 or 8 minutes now. I'm going to just add the garlic in that we've finely chopped. That smells good. Okay, so the garlic's been in there for about a minute. We're just going to add the mushrooms that we've chopped. Give them a bit of a stir around. Okay, so the mushrooms, garlic and onions have been cooking now for about 5 minutes. So we're going to add a litre of stock. This is chicken stock. Just going to give that a little gentle mix. I'm just going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes. So once you've let the mixture cool down for a few minutes, you can begin transferring the soup into a blender. My blender's not very big, so this will have to be done in batches. Be careful because this will be extremely hot. So once you've blended the mushrooms, add to a pan, just gently heat again. We're just going to add 3 tablespoons of double cream. Just going to gently blend all that in. Thoroughly heat it through.